Welcome to your ultimate escape indoors. Imagine the soothing sound of a tranquil waterfall echoing softly through your home. Imagine a space that doesn't just look beautiful, but feels like serenity. In today's video, we'll show you how to create your own indoor water park-inspired oasis, featuring a mesmerizing indoor waterfall and stunning indoor waterfall wall design that turns any room into a personal retreat. We'll explore indoor waterfall Singapore-style designs, modern indoor waterfall fountains, and discover how these tranquil water features not only elevate your home decor, but also serve as powerful tools for stress relief and inner peace. Water has always symbolized purity, power, and peace. A waterfall, especially indoors, brings that powerful symbolism right into your home. Studies show that running water improves mental clarity, promotes relaxation, and even enhances creativity. That's why the most luxurious indoor water parks and spas always feature a cascading indoor waterfall wall design. Start by identifying the mood you want to create. Is it a Zen-inspired escape, a tropical indoor water park, or a quiet reading nook with a mini waterfall fountain? Your goals will shape everything from the size of the indoor waterfall wall to the lighting and plant selection. Consider integrating indoor waterfall plants like ferns, peace lilies, or bamboo, beautiful companions that thrive in humidity. The soothing sound of your indoor waterfall combined with lush greenery not only looks amazing, but also contributes to better indoor air quality and wellness. Now let's explore your design options. Do you want a sleek glass-paneled indoor waterfall wall design, a rustic stone cascade, or perhaps a spa-style indoor waterfall fountain? We'll walk through examples of stunning indoor waterfall Japanese designs, some minimalist, others luxurious. Then we'll look at custom DIY setups that are perfect for apartments, small homes, or even cozy corners of your office. Remember, Even a small indoor waterfall pool or tabletop fountain can be impactful. These compact indoor water features offer all the benefits of larger installations: serenity, beauty, and a powerful visual anchor in your interior design. Once you've finalized your vision, it's time to bring your indoor oasis to life. The installation of an indoor waterfall can be as simple or as complex as you choose, depending on your space and design goals. A common feature in upscale indoor water parks, indoor waterfall wall designs are typically constructed along a vertical surface, often near a light source to enhance the shimmering flow of water. Whether you're working with textured stone, polished acrylic, or even tempered glass, the beauty of a waterfall lies in its natural motion. The soothing rhythm of cascading water, enhanced by thoughtful placement and design, can instantly change the energy of a room. It's important to ensure your waterfall wall is supported securely and that your water pump is installed in a hidden yet accessible place. As the water flows, the sound it produces becomes the heartbeat of your home's tranquility. You'll be amazed at how this calming sound transforms your space from ordinary to serene. There's a reason high-end spas and wellness centers feature the sound of flowing water, because it's deeply calming to the mind and body. The gentle trickle or soft cascade of an indoor waterfall becomes a meditative backdrop to your daily life. Unlike artificial white noise, indoor waterfall sounds create a dynamic acoustic environment that eases stress, reduces anxiety, and promotes mental clarity. The indoor water park aesthetic thrives on these subtle, ambient sounds, especially when paired with organic textures and soothing light. Your indoor waterfall wall design doesn't just serve as a visual centerpiece, it also becomes an auditory sanctuary. Some homeowners even place their indoor waterfall near relaxation zones or yoga areas to fully embrace this calming atmosphere. In Feng Shui, water symbolizes abundance, flow, and renewal. An indoor waterfall placed thoughtfully within your home can amplify positive energy and encourage the flow of prosperity. It's said that placing a waterfall in the northern part of your living area can enhance your career path, while positioning it near the entrance welcomes fortune and harmony. The design of an indoor waterfall wall often reflects not just aesthetics but intention. Incorporating tranquil water features into your living space isn't only about home decor, it's about creating harmony between natural elements and your personal energy. Adding indoor plants near your waterfall helps balance the elements of wood and water, promoting calmness and vitality in your surroundings. This connection between water, movement, and space transforms any room into a mindful sanctuary. As we bring this journey to a close, take a moment to imagine the calming presence of water in your own home. The sound, the flow, the gentle sparkle, all of it working together to soothe your soul. An indoor waterfall is more than a feature. It's a personal sanctuary, it's a space for healing, for reflection, for joy. From the artistic elegance of an indoor waterfall wall design to the refreshing feel of your very own indoor water park-inspired retreat, you now have the tools and the vision to create something extraordinary. Whether you seek stress relief, beauty, or a deeper sense of serenity, let your indoor waterfall be your gateway to a more peaceful life, one drop at a time. So go ahead, let serenity live with you. Let your home be your haven. And may your indoor waterfall forever be the gentle reminder that even in the chaos of life, peace can always be found, flowing quietly in your own sacred space. See you in the next video about the smart home design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more video.